Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna eat out of a wall. I'll explain. So as you can see, there are some food items and I'll be putting some coins and getting out some snacks for me to eat later.
While the prices are indicated in euros, they are actually in the local currency. So should you decide to go here, make sure you have some coins as you cannot pay by card. From what I saw, there were 4 selections of snacks at the time I was there, but perhaps there are more choices at another time. These glass boxes keep the food warm and fresh, so you will need to be careful when removing your snack. For this video, I decided to try out 3 items for which I paid in total around $4. By the way, in case you did not notice, the snacks are made on the inside of this building, which has another glass door where the workers from the kitchen can put them without the need to come outside. Another benefit is that they can monitor the sales and refill the pockets with new snack items periodically.
So I just got these at the Super Food supermarket, and it's very close to the hotels, and I'll be explaining a little bit about this in a moment.
The Super Food Plaza is situated at less than a 5-minute drive from most hotels on the island. After grabbing these snacks, I decided to head out to one of the nearby beaches.
So I got myself a place here all alone at the beach to enjoy these snacks. Now, eating out of a wall, I did some research, and apparently it exists about 100 years ago, maybe a little bit more, and it originated from Germany actually, but the concept just didn't work out over there. Apparently the buzz about it died down a little bit in the 1960s or so, but somehow it picked up in the Netherlands, and so when you go there you can definitely still find them. And what is mentioned is that now it's also getting a little bit more popular in Belgium. So here in Aruba we have a like a small version of it, but still interesting that you can do this. It's like a snack on the go, maybe just mostly in the mornings, but you can find also snacks to keep you good for the afternoon. Now these are Dutch snacks, I would say, but they are also eaten a lot here on the island of Aruba. And the first one is the croquette. Whoa, the plate is gonna fly away. It's very windy on Aruba, as you have noticed in my other videos, so it's very tricky to film outside, especially with the audio. But I'm gonna check out this croquette. Now in this case it's a pretty big one. It's filled with meat, and we call it croquette, and it's very popular here. Super good, super good. Wow. They do taste a little bit different from the, let's say, the original one in Aruba to the one in Holland. this next one is like a pastici, what we would call a pastici here in Aruba. I don't know how you call it in English, but if you know the name, try to put it down here. Maybe by the time I make the video, I'll Google it and see what the name is. But this again is the version, it's like a Dutch version of the pastici. Now it's they definitely make it a little bit smaller, and I assume it's the pastici actually. It might be something else, but it's very similar. And I'm sure in another video at some point I will go and buy a pastici somewhere and show you the differences between this one and the one made typically in Aruba. Oh my goodness, these are good. These are very good. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got cheese inside. So it's got like a Dutch cheese, and it's incredibly good. It is very good. And these first two that I bought, both the croquette and this one, they cost about, they actually cost 2 florins, 2 Aruban florins, but that would mean that in US dollars it would be around, what would it be around? About $110 or so, $110. So they are very cheap. You know, you can have like maybe 2 or 3 of them and you'll be fine on the go to continue your day, or at least until you can have a good normal meal, right? Now, something very important that I forgot to mention is that both the croquette and the pastici are usually eaten in the morning by the locals. But when you have, let's say, a party at someone's house, like a children's party or even a regular party, you could have them late in the afternoon or even at night. They would still have them. Yeah, so now I'm gonna have the last one, and I'm gonna be careful for the plates not to fly away into the ocean. They are made of paper, but you wanna litter the beach and stuff. Now, this one, I have to say, I'm not sure what it is. I would assume it's either chicken or pork. It seems like somewhat of a burger, maybe a chicken burger or something, but I'm not sure. So let's take a big bite out of it. Oh, I am so wrong. So wrong, but it's so good. Look what it's got inside. It's got rice inside, rice. Oh my goodness, and it's so good. I have no idea of the name, but it's got great condiments in it. Oh my goodness, this is a great surprise. Now this one is a little bit more expensive. It's about $1.60, $1.60. It's $1.60, and it has like a somewhat of a arroz con pollo, typical I would say Dominican or Latin American dish. So and maybe even with some taste of Indonesian food. I had my doubt about this one, but I'm so wrong. It is so good, and I got company. I knew the birds were coming. Oh my goodness, and they're gonna, everybody's gonna like, food. Everybody, they're gonna be like, there's food over here. There's food. Yes, there's food. So that's it. Take it. And yeah, let's give some more, right? There you go. Take it. Yeah. I hope you liked this episode. If you did, put a like on it and remember to share it. And yeah, just thank you for watching, and thank you for your support this year. It's been a difficult year for everybody, but I'm still happy to be able to produce and contribute to my island. It's been really fun with all the videos that I've done. So without taking any more of your time, I want to thank you again and see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye. Oh, we got a lizard too.
Guys, before leaving, I wanted to talk to you briefly about trash at our beaches. While I don't often eat or drink at our beautiful beaches, when I do, I always make sure to take my trash with me to dispose of it at home. While most beaches here do have a trash bin, it can often fill up very quickly, and with our constant wind, it can end up on the beach or even worse, in our waters. For the last few years, our government has been implementing new laws which prohibits single-use plastic bags, foam and plastic plates, etc., just to name a few. Having produced a documentary on these subjects myself, I happen to have done some research, and my conclusion was that while having new laws helps protect our environment, the true change will start happening when we all realize the damage we are causing and make a conscious decision to change our behavior with regards to our trash management. If you live on the island or are here on vacation, let's all help make that change for ourselves and for our future generations.